How to add a custom header in Shopify store. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our browser and go to shopify.com. Once you're routed to Shopify, sign in to your Shopify account. Now, as you can see, I'm already signed into my account. All we need to do is to go to the left-hand side and go to sales channel. Now, under sales channel, we are going to go to online store. I'm currently in my theme section. Now let's try to view our current theme for our Shopify store. So basically, this is how our header looks like. So it's a content block that you can see at the upper part of every page of an online store. And the header typically consists of a name of a store, logo, main website, navigation menu, shopping cart sign, and the likes. So for our store, this is how our header looks like. Okay, now let's go back. Let's start customizing our header page for today's video. Now let's exit from this page basically. And then under our sales channel and online store, let's click on navigation. So the first thing that we're going to edit is our menus. So menus or linked lists help your customers navigate around your online store basically. So here in the menu section, these are the links that easily routes you to different pages of your online store. So here, let's add a new menu. So let me put the title, which is new menu options. And below, you can see under menu items, add menu item. So here, let's add a name in the right-hand section and put in option 1. Now, choose a link where you want to link it. So I'm going to link it to my homepage, basically, of my store. Then simply add. Now, repeat the process. I'm going to have at least 2 buttons or 2 menu options or items right here, I guess, because the 2 other ones would be my sub options. And let me show you how. So for option 3, what we're going to do here is this will be a sub item, menu item under option 2. So you just need to drag it and then basically it will be added to this page. And you could also add menu item to option 2. So when you add another option or a sub menu item, it will actually give you a drop down for that specific menu item. Right, so this one is the handle. Now let's save our menu already. Okay, so there you have it. We have successfully added. And once we go back to the navigation section, under menus, we can see that our new menu option has been added right here. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to do is to go back to our theme section here. So under theme section, let me just change the theme to our dawn settings so that it would be easier to navigate and to basically edit. Okay, so here in our dawn section, simply click on the customize button. Okay, once you've clicked on the customize button, it will route you to this page or the edit page of your store. Now let's click on the sections in the left-hand panel, and there we can see our header. So here, the first thing that we have is our announcement bar. You could actually put codes if you want to change that part right there. Okay, and you could also add announcement. So the next one is our header. So there you can actually see our menu options right there. For the color scheme, you can actually change that depending on your liking. So let's stick with accent number 1 for this menu. And then you could also put your logo wherever you like. So for example, in the top left, top center, middle left, middle center, or whatnot. wherever it looks best. Now here under menu, you can actually change, or let's try to make use of the new menu option that we have created a while ago. Okay, so there, you can see new menu option. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you will see option 1 and option 2 right there. Okay, and there you see a drop down for option 3 and option 2.2. All right, now here under desktop menu type, you can actually choose mega menu or the drop down. Okay, next is for sticky header. I will just leave it as it's. And here also for the mobile layout, you can actually check your mobile layout first. Here, let's try to see. And there, you have your logo right there in the center. But you could also put it in the left side. But it looks better in the center, so let's leave it there. Okay. Next is the spacing. You can actually drag to the right or to the left, whichever. There. And for the cart type, you can also choose if you would like to have it drawer or page or pop-up notification. That actually depends on you. All right, so I'm going to have pop-up notification right here. You could also add your social media links in this section if you would want to. Now here you could also change your logo. You can select from the library, explore free images, remove your image basically if you want to change your logo, and there. So you could also adjust the vertical offset and as well as the color. Okay, there. All right. And then once everything is done, click on save in the upper right hand corner. And let's try to go to our store, or let's view it basically. So this is our finished product basically. So the changes have been made, and that's how you customize your header. So to wrap things up, basically, the header is the first point of contact for visitors and it sets the tone for their shopping experience. So, by customizing your Shopify header, you have the opportunity to create a memorable brand impression and increase user engagement and drive conversion. Customization allows you to align your header with your brand identity, making it unique and recognizable. This consistency helps establish trust and credibility with your customers, fostering brand loyalty and repeat purchases. That's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed.